National race from Bourges. National winner against 9,922 old and year birds, but also the fastest of 30,250 birds, is the blue hen of family Timmermans Poels from Schaffen. Very nice hen, middle-sized type. Ring number is B22 2088887. She was still raised on widowhood. She has thrown one wing feather, as you can see. The distance from Bourges-Viergeon was 471 kilometers, and she made a velocity of 1,576 meters per minute. Fastest of plus 30,000 birds from the national race from Bourges. Congrats from Team Herbots to family Timmermans Poels.